Welcome one and all. Today's session on database management system. A unit 5, session 6. So this is a program for database management system for Bangalore North University BCA second semester. In this session, the topic is transaction processing concept. In this transaction processing concept, transaction support in SQL means structured query language. The content covered in this session is transaction support in structured query language SQL. Characteristics of transaction. Violations occur in lower isolation level. In this, first one is dirty read, second one is non-repeatable read, third one is phantoms. The objective of this session is student will able to understand the transaction support in SQL, structured query language, to know characteristics of transaction. Point number 3 of objective is to know how violations occur in lower isolation level. A point number 4 or point number objective, fourth objective, to know definition of dirty read, non-repeatable read and phantoms. Now let us understand detail. In this slide, a transaction support in structured query language SQL. In a single SQL statement in atomic, that is, in it completes execution without error or it fails and leaves the database unchanged. The transaction initiation is done implicitly when the particular structured query language statements are encountered. There is no explicit begin transaction statement. However, there should be an explicit end statement. First is a begin transaction, second one is a end statement, which is either a commit or rollback. This in a SQL statement is atomic. It did complete execution without error or it fails and leaves the database unchanged. The characteristics of a transactions are access mode, diagnostic area size, and isolation level also. These characteristics can be specified by set transaction statement in SQL. The access mode can be specified as read only or read write. The default is read write unless the isolation level of read uncommitted is specified, in which case read only as assumed. A mode of read write allows update, insert, delete, and create command to be executed. A mode of read only is simply for data retrieval. The diagnostic area size option, the diagnostic size n, specify an integer value n indicating the number of conditions that can be held simultaneously in the diagnostic area. These conditions supply feedback information, error or exception, so the user or programs on the most recently executed SQL statement. It gives feedback information to the user. This is for a diagnostic size area. In isolation level, the isolation level option is specified using the statement isolation level isolation, where isolation can take the following value. One is read uncommitted, read committed, then repeatable read or serializable. The default isolation level is serializable, although some systems use read committed as their default. The default isolation level is serializable, although some systems use read committed as their default. If a transaction executes at a lower isolation level than serializable, then one or more of the following three isolation may occur. One is dirty read, second one is a non-repeatable read, and third one is a phantoms. First, let us understand one by one. A dirty read. A transaction T1 may need read the update of a transaction T2 which has not yet committed. If T2 fails and is aborted, then T1 would have read a value that does not exist and is incorrect. This is dirty read. So next slide, there is a non-repeatable read. In non-repeatable read, a transaction T1 may read a given value from a table if another transaction T2 later updates that value and T1 reads that value again. T1 will see a different value. This is non-repeatable read. Third one is a phantoms. A transaction T1 may read a set of rows from a table because table is a combination of rows and columns. In this phantoms, a transaction T1 may read a set of rows from a table based on some condition specified in the SQL. Where clause, suppose a transaction T2 insert a new row that also satisfy the where clause condition used in T1 into the table used by T2 T1. If T1 is repeated, then T1 will see the phantom, a row that previously did not exist. The possible violations based on isolation level read uncommitted are all three for read committed isolation level. The possible violations are non-repeatable read and phantom. For repeatable read, the only possible violation is phantom. For serializable, no violation occur. The SQL provides a number of transaction-oriented features. This can improve the transaction performance. This is for phantoms in third point of isolation level. So in this session, we are understand a transaction support in structured query language in detail, the characteristics of transactions, access mode, diagnostic area size, isolation level, read uncommitted, read committed in isolation level, and repeatable read or serializable in isolation level also you are understand. In this, violation may occur in so many 3 points: dirty read, non-repeatable read, and phantoms. Then we can directly understand dirty read, non-repeatable read, and phantoms individually. So a unit 5 session 6, in this session created whenever some reference book is needed. One is Abraham C. Selbrecht, Henry F. Korth, S. Sudarshan, Database System Concepts 6th edition, MC Grohill 2012. And second reference book is CJ Date, Introduction to Database Systems 8th edition, Weasley. A textbook for this session, one is Ramez Elsmari and Shamkant B. Nawate, A Fundamentals of Database Systems, 5th edition, Pearson Education 2007, and one more textbook, A Database Management System, as per new CBCS syllabus for second semester BCA, Bangalore City and Bangalore North University 2014-15, Chitra Ravi also. Thank you, Ananda.